Which triangle has all the length of its sides different?
Triangle.
Sorry?
Triangle.
Wrong. What is the period of second generation of computer?
9. Answer.
Period of second generation of computer.
1956 to 1963.
Correct. When was All India Muslim League established?
1960.
Correct.
माइक मत देगा माइक मत देगा
Which animal is essential in the organic compound? Which element is essential in the organic compound?
Carbon.
Correct. किस नबी की कौम पर पत्थरों की बारिश की गई? करेक्ट. सूरह तौबा में हुजूर अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के कौन से अस्मा मुबारक आए हैं?
रऊफ और रहीम.
करेक्ट.
What is the capital city of Zimbabwe?
Harare.
Correct answer. What is the full form of LED? LED.
Light emitting tube.
Light emitting diode. Correct answer. What is the national drink of Pakistan?
Sugarcane juice.
Sugarcane juice. What is the spelling of the word peculiar? Peculiar. Time out. What is the height of K2?
8,611 meters.
Correct answer. Which is the largest natural lake of Pakistan?
Manchar Lake, Dalu.
Manchar Lake, Dalu. Correct answer. Next question. What is the terminology used for the study of mountains? The study of mountains.
Astronomy.
Wrong answer. It's orology. Next question. What is the white part of our eye called? What is the white part of our eye called?
Sclera.
Sclera. Correct answer. Next. Animals that feed on insects or other animals. They are known as?
Herbivore.
Wrong answer. It's carnivores. Next question. रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को सिराजुल मुनीर के लक़ब से किस सूरत में याद किया गया है? सूरह फातिर. सही जवाब. Next question. Any number or variable having power 0 is equal to
1.
सही जवाब. If the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, they are known as?
Right angle.
Wrong answer. It's supplementary angles.
D. When did Allama Iqbal born?
9 November 1877.
Correct. What is the opposite of the word temporary? What is the opposite of the word temporary? Permanent. Which country is also called the land of rising sun?
Norway.
जापान. गलत. उरूसुल कुरान किस सूरत को कहा जाता है? उरूसुल कुरान किस सूरत को कहा जाता है? सूरह रहमान. गलत.
Female Quran.
सही।
Last question. When was UNO, United Nations Organization, established?
24 October 1945.
Correct answer.